Whoa, this fire is intense.
Smokey, this is one of the worst wildfires I've ever seen. What a way to celebrate your 75th birthday.
This is Air Attack 1. There's an unidentified drone in the airspace. All aircraft suspend water drops and return to base.
Did you hear that? We've got to find that operator. You take to the woods and I'll take to the streets.
Oh, I can't wait to post this on Insta. Smokey, have you seen this fire? Where'd the helicopter go? You mean if I'm flying, you can't fight the fire?
You know, if you fly, we can't.
Smokey, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Smokey, you've been doing this for 75 years. There's still a lot of work to do. Let's get to it.
Only you can prevent wildfires.